Hey, it's Peter Dellane, broker owner, Ability Mortgage Group, and I want to talk about getting pre-approved with your phone like you see on TV with a spaceship mortgage or whatever you might see for a commercial where you put in your name, your social, and I don't know, your email address, and it gives you a pre-approval letter. That is a recipe for an absolute disaster, and I'll explain why, how it's going to cost you money. Because when you get issued that pre-approval letter on your phone, and then you go out, you write an offer, and you put the earnest money down, and then you actually pay for appraisals and home inspections and water and septic and radon and whatever you're having done, and then you get 3/4 of the way through the underwrite, and then you forgot to tell this thing or it didn't ask, was your job 4 months ago self-employed and now you're W-2 or anything. I mean, you can't get approved on your cell phone and use that letter. It's just a recipe for disaster. You have to go through a long form loan application where I ask all the pertinent information to protect you as the buyer and to protect the seller too, because there's so much information, so many moving parts to a loan application that this stuff you're seeing on TV and I'm seeing on it kind of makes me chuckle. Actually makes me busy because we pull a lot of these in and try to fix them real quick and get them to close. Because it's not something you can do on your phone and just sit back and assume you're going to close. It's absolutely, there's so many moving parts to it that couple questions, those questions don't answer, that are going to cause you a little bit problem down the road and money too. So if you're considering getting pre-approved, you've got to go through the full process of providing a full application. We've got to look at your pay stubs. We've got to look at your returns. And here's a big one. We have a lot of spouses that sell stuff. And if that shows up on the returns and you write it off as a loss, that goes against your income. So if you say you make $40,000 and somebody's selling baskets or something, and that comes off the income, now all of a sudden you don't make $40,000. There are so many moving parts to a loan application. It's dangerous to go online and get that. You have to have a full application, tax returns, pay stubs, bank statements. Everything has to get looked into. I just had one that came in this over the weekend. They didn't ask for the support he was paying, the child support. Boom, deal killer. So anyway, if I could serve you in any way, it's 410-827-5111. If you're looking to get pre-approved, please call a professional, somebody local around you. Give me a call. We'll get you pre-approved. So we'll give you the clarity and the certainty and take the unknown out of it. Have a great day.